Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your sweet girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm on the healthier side of things and I'm gonna make some smoothie for you guys. This smoothie is packed with lots of health benefits. All right, it has lots of antioxidant from my Irish marsh that I'm going to be using, and to add to this I have some Bladderwrack. All right, I will show you the container once I get it. I got this from my friend, just 2 teaspoons, and I'm using one right here, 1 teaspoon. I have some flaxseed. You can use the powder or you can use this one. I have 1 tablespoon and I have it in my jar there. And I have some mixed spice. I have all Jamaican allspice and nutmeg and some cinnamon, and I put them all together. I'm using 2 medium-sized ripe banana right here. I have the sea moss powdered, the powder one, and I mix it with the Bladderwrack. So if you're mixing half and half, it's good like this. You can add it in some water and you can take it, or you can add it to your meal, to your food, to your smoothie, whatever you want. Okay, but because I have my sea moss I made already, I'm going to use this one. All right, also you can get some capsule, some organic capsule, the empty one, and you can load them up. I'll do a video on that too. This Bladderwrack is the first time I'm using it. My lady friend gave it to me because she's on the healthier side of things, natural organic stuff she used, and she gave me 2 teaspoons because she ran out. So I'm going to buy the bigger pack, and you can get them anywhere at the health food store or on Amazon, or if you want to Google some Jamaican stores, so you will find this Bladderwrack loaded with antioxidant just like the Irish moss. So just imagine 2 of them combined, it's gonna be a powerhouse. All right, and the Bladderwrack is good for, it's a good source of potassium, iron, calcium, and it gives zinc and lots of vitamins and minerals. All right, this Bladderwrack is used to treat obesity, arthritis, joint pain. It's good for healing of the arteries, good for digestion, good with your digestive system. It's good for heartburn. And this Bladderwrack, it's good to flush you and clean your colon, help with all those nasty toxin in your body. So it's gonna flush you and it's gonna build you. If you think about getting old and you have some wrinkle areas and you want to look youthful and fresh, Bladderwrack mixed with Irish moss, sea moss together, it's a powerhouse. It's gonna work wonders. And this Bladderwrack also good for urinary tract infection. It's good for constipation. When I research it, it's good for anxiety, and it boosts your immune system just like the Irish moss. Both of them are a form of seaweed, and we're gonna start off. All right, you can add anything all at once. However, I'm gonna leave this for last because it will cling to the bottom. Once the pan is wet, it will cling to the bottom. So let's add in everything. 1 tablespoon Irish moss. I'm gonna add my bananas, add my allspice with my cinnamon and my nutmeg. I'm gonna add this 1 teaspoon of Bladderwrack, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon flaxseed. And you know guys, I can't do without my flaxseed because this helped me. It helped to save me many times because it helped me with my cholesterol. All right, it have lots of fiber in it. All right, so you want to add this to your diet. You can get the powdered or you can get it just like this. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. The final step, I'm just gonna add my organic almond milk. I'm gonna add about a cup. That's about a cup right there, and that's it guys. The sweetness of the banana, it's good for me right there. However, if you want it a little bit sweet, you can go ahead and add some honey. Right now we're on the healthier side of things. This is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly. Everybody all Rastafarian and the Rastaman them out there, unlike me who are trying to get healthy and try to take off some of these pounds. This is for us, natural stuff, no meat based, all plant based. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of crushed ice, and that's it, guys. I have one hand, so I'm gonna screw it together. Guys, I forgot to add my vanilla extract. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon. That's good. I like the taste. You want to blend it until everything becomes really fine. And that's it, guys. This is healthy, refreshing, and nice. Look at that goodness, guys. Wow, wow. Lots of health benefits, load, ton, galore. Good to clean you, to build your body. Men, come on over here, guys. Come on, let me show you how Jamaican man do these things. All right, guys? Yes, all Jamaican man, them know them stuff. Let me tell you that, guys. So if you want to learn a trick or two, you gotta come check out my channel and learn these healthy things. This put the stamina, the oomph, strengthen your back. All right, guys. Yes, yes. This is the final result, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed. And you put God first. My Bladderwrack Irish Marsh Flaxseed Smoothie. Rich, healthy, really good for you guys. It's a meal replacement. You can have this morning, noon, or night. You don't have to eat meal because this will fill you. Yes, yes, this is good. This is good, good, good. I'm telling you, good for your cholesterol, good for diabetes, good for high blood pressure. It's good for anemic. It open your appetite, it clean your skin, clean your colon, cleanse you. I'm telling you, guys, love upon me and I love upon you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, my peeps.